I can't do this in 5 minutes, I'm gonna be sick.
If you enjoy our content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to be the first to know when we've done something stupid. Also, the fun doesn't stop here. Please check out WheresMyChallenge.com to watch all our future videos a day before YouTube and for never before seen content that's exclusive to the website.
Hello guys, welcome back to Where's My Challenge. Here's a little quarantine video that we're doing. It's quail century eggs, and I'm going to do roughly 50 of them. Now, if you've seen me eat century eggs before, you know I don't like them. So when we were in London recently, Paul bought 50 for me to eat specifically. Dude, they're individually wrapped. Oh God, I have to eat one with a shell on. Said the best before date was in April. So 50 century eggs that they're already gone out of date, but these are gone out of date century eggs. Oh. Now, there's a reason I have Greg with me, apart from the fact that I love him to death. I need someone to help me open all of these and put them in there. But let's see if we can get some close-ups first. I dropped an egg. Little egg. This room is gonna stink. You've never smelled it before, have you?
I've never been around century eggs.
So let's undo all of these and put them in the bowl. Ah, that's so good. Traditionally, century eggs were made by preserving chicken or duck eggs in a mixture of salt, lime and ash. Then wrapping in rice husks for several weeks.
Shell up, because all the eggshells aren't coming off.
Yeah, that one does not look good. I've never seen these before. When we saw them in London, I almost shrieked. Look at them! Look at the eggs! Oh, Greg, don't corona my eggs.
Uh-oh. Look at that. That does not look right.
It looks like amber. Alright, is that all of them?
That is not. One last one.
No. We keep that one.
What for?
Because I'm going to eat it with a shell on.
Oh, yeah, okay.
There they are. There's the light shining off them, but some of them do still have eggshell on a bit, but can't get rid of all of it, can ya? Bowl of gone off quail eggs. There's roughly 50 in there. There's the eggshell. Let's get these boys in my belly. 5 minutes. You ready?
Freaking drink first.
Oh, they bounce! Look! Time me now!
How's it taste?
I'm focusing on the time, man. Not focusing on the taste. Can't focus on the taste. Oh. Oh, bollocks.
Oh, you gotta pick it up quick.
That one's got cat hair on it now. Oh my goodness. There's too much eggshell in these, Greg.
Sorry, dude. I tried.
That does not mix well. What's that? Oh, that one was probably squishy. So much eggshell in this. You're not going to get it all out though, are you? What's the timer on?
You're on a minute 30. Oh man, you got a good pace at the moment. Pick it up. Eat. Eggs. Eggs. Eggs.
Eggs. Eggs. Eggs. Eggs. Eggs.
Eat them.
Oh, that one was gooey. I can't do this in 5 minutes. I'm gonna be sick.
You're halfway through. Come on, you got like hardly any left. Just pick them all up, give them a good munch.
Do you reckon I could swallow one whole?
I think the answer might be no.
It hit the back of my throat and just wouldn't go down. Right. This is going to be such a shit post.
Yeah, I know. But...
I've slowed down a lot. Can you tell? It's not good.
You got 3.5. Well, you got a minute and a half left to eat that and that.
That one doesn't count.
Okay, go on. No. Hold it, hold it.
Right. Zen. They're out of date though.
They're not. They're in date. The Chinese have their own calendar, it's fine.
Another smoother. That's definitely filming, right?
Yeah, it's definitely fun. Come on. You try. You got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's go. Come on. No. Back down.
The extra special one. Oh god. It's like a minty flavour to it, right?
Yeah, and 5 minutes is down. I'll allow it. I'll allow it. I'll allow it.
That
Did it?
That was hard. Wow. That was horrible. Technically did it. I think I was like 3 seconds off. So, hope you enjoyed that video. If you like our content, then subscribe and like and follow and do everything in the description. We got these when we went to London recently, and one of our previous videos is us staying in the worst hotel in London. So definitely check that video out because it's great. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because if you do, you'll be the first one to know when we do something stupid, like eating a quail century egg with the skin on.
You look so done with this shit, man.
Hopefully we get to film again soon as a group, because I miss the guys. And that's a personal message to you three. You bastards. Goodbye. I need some alcohol.